In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in WPS Office Mobile. Making text bold is one of the simplest ways to emphasize important words or phrases in your documents. In WPS Office Mobile, this process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to highlight key points or headings without any hassle. I'll walk you through the steps so you can bold your text efficiently and make your documents look more professional. Start by opening your document in WPS Office Mobile and navigate to the section where you want to apply bold formatting. Next, select or highlight the text that you want to make bold. Highlighting the text ensures that only the words you choose will be affected, leaving the rest of your document unchanged. Once your text is selected, look at the bottom left of your WPS mobile app interface. You will see an icon that opens the text formatting options. Tap this icon to bring up the formatting menu. Within this menu, you will find the bold option, typically represented by a large letter B. Tap the bold icon and you will immediately see the highlighted text change to bold. This simple action applies the bold style, making your selected text stand out from the rest of the content. Using this method is especially useful when editing documents on the go, as it allows you to emphasize headings, key phrases, or important instructions without switching to a desktop computer. Bold text improves readability and guides your reader's attention to essential information, making your documents easier to follow. It's important to remember that you can apply this feature to any portion of text regardless of length. Whether you are working with a single word, a phrase, or an entire paragraph, the bold icon in WPS Office Mobile will handle it effortlessly. Additionally, you can remove bold formatting by highlighting the text again and tapping the bold icon a second time, giving you full control over your document's appearance. By using this method, you can quickly format your documents and maintain a polished, professional look directly from your mobile device. It's a convenient and time-saving tool for anyone who frequently works with WPS Office Mobile. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.